This video delves into the top 5 best blenders in 2024, offering a deep review and insights into their strengths, weaknesses, and suitability for different needs. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. The undisputed king of the blender jungle, the Vitamix A3500 lives up to its reputation. This smart blender boasts a powerful 2-horsepower motor, pulverizing anything you throw its way, from frozen fruits to nuts and even tough vegetables. The self-cleaning function is a lifesaver, and the intuitive touchscreen controls make blending a breeze. However, the hefty price tag and lack of a personal blending option might deter some users. My experience: I had the opportunity to test the A3500, and it truly lived up to the hype. Its ability to create silky smooth nut butters and frozen desserts was unmatched. The self-cleaning feature was a delight, and the touchscreen interface was responsive and user-friendly. However, the noise level was quite high, and the large container might be overkill for single-serve needs. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo. This versatile combo caters to both smoothie lovers and those seeking a food processor. The NutriBullet's compact design is perfect for small kitchens, and the powerful 1,000-watt motor delivers impressive blending results. The included cups and lids make portion control and on-the-go convenience a breeze. However, the smaller capacity might not be suitable for large batches, and the lack of variable speed control limits its versatility. My experience: I found the NutriBullet to be a handy kitchen companion for quick smoothies and dips. The single-serve cups were perfect for portion control, and the ease of cleanup was a plus. However, the limited capacity and lack of variable speed control made it less suitable for more complex recipes. Number 3. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. This stylish blender strikes a balance between power and aesthetics. The 1,800-watt motor tackles tough ingredients with ease, while the pre-programmed settings simplify blending tasks. The LCD and intuitive controls enhance the user experience. However, the plastic construction might not appeal to those seeking a more premium feel, and the noise level is comparable to other high-wattage blenders. My experience: Breville's sleek design and user-friendly interface were a welcome change. The pre-programmed settings were convenient, and the blending results were consistently smooth. However, the plastic construction felt less sturdy compared to the Vitamix, and the noise level was noticeable. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet Pro Performance Blender. This high-end blender boasts a powerful 2-horsepower motor and a sleek, professional-grade design. The variable speed dial offers precise control, and the large 70-ounce container makes it ideal for batch blending. However, the premium price tag and limited availability might be barriers for some users. My experience: unfortunately, I haven't had the chance to personally test the Wolf Gourmet Blender. However, based on reviews and specifications, it seems like a powerhouse option for serious cooks and those prioritizing large batch capabilities. The high price tag and limited availability might be deterrents for some. Number 5. KitchenAid K400 Variable Speed Blender. This affordable blender from KitchenAid offers a good balance of performance and value. The 1.5-horsepower motor tackles most blending tasks with ease, and the variable speed control allows for customization. The sleek design and durable construction make it a good addition to any kitchen. However, the lack of pre-programmed settings and smaller 56-ounce containers might limit its appeal for some users. My experience: I found the KitchenAid K400 to be a reliable and affordable option for everyday blending needs. The variable speed control offered good flexibility, and the build quality felt sturdy. However, the lack of pre-programmed settings and smaller containers made it less convenient for some tasks.